Well, hi there, summer online astronomy students. So, what you see here is what I've been referring to in other places, the AstroPortal. It should look familiar to you. If not, you are behind already. Okay, so this is the home screen for the AstroPortal, and it should be approximately what you see. Now, this is really easy to navigate through, but the most important thing for me to bring to your attention right now is you'll notice this quick start over here. Assignments, or just come up here on this tab and click Assignments. This is where you're going to be most of the time. This should be the view you have right now, currently, June 10, 2014. And for Unit 1, these are all the categories. These are all the, the high-level tabs that are going to have content that you're interested in. Now, the first one is the ebook. And look at, I say, no points awarded, here for your convenience. If you want to see what's underneath there, I'd suggest going to the Show Lesson Contents. And there you'll see the subcategories. This really comes down to the ebook material for Chapters 1 and 2, which is Unit 1. Okay, so if you click on Pattern of Stars, you'll see Chapter 1, Section 2, and Chapter 1, Section 3. All right, so I'm going to click Assignments again. That's, again, for your convenience. You can get it on the, if you go to the home screen again, you'll see I could have gone to ebook right here. Click on ebook, and it gives you everything. So that's just another way to do it. So back to assignments. Now, Unit 1B, C, and D especially are the activity content areas. So if I show lesson contents for constellations and cycles of Earth, you'll see these animations, interactive tutorials. And notice over here, it says they're due in 12 days. So what I've done, I'm getting softer all the time, I think. Instead of having a whole bunch of due dates throughout the unit, I'm making it easy. This will be good for some of you and not for others. You have the entire duration of the unit to get all the assignments done. So 6/22, that's probably when the date of the first test. So you have 12 days to get everything done. And then we're done with Unit 1. So keep that in mind. That's the time you have to get these assignments done. Okay, so say you want to do Animation 1.3, the small angle formula. You click on it. Actually, I'm going to do Celestial Sphere. Okay, the very first one there. And it brings up a little animation, and it plays it, and there's some words here for you to read, and you are getting points right now in the class. And when the animation is done and you've looked at it, basically, okay, I think it's almost done anyway here, showing the celestial equator. All right, and different things. I'm going to hit stop. I shouldn't, no, let me just keep going. Don't want this video to get too long, but just showing you real quick here. Showing the ecliptic, vernal equinox, different parts of the celestial sphere, and important places that you will see described more in my videos. Okay. All right, so if you go back to assignments now, click back to assignments, and if you go under Unit 1B, Constellations and Cycles of Earth, click on this, notice there's a green check mark. Look at that green check mark. That tells you that you just got credit for doing that little activity. Tells you when it was completed. You got 1 out of 1 points. Woohoo! You've got full credit for doing Animation 1.2. The same procedure for all these. Unit 1 actually has less little activities, fewer I should say, than the subsequent ones. You'll notice as I bring these down, there's a whole bunch of these little activities. And Unit 1 is the least of them. Okay, so it's easy to get the points though. Just go through them, and those are homework points, which is worth a significant percentage of your class grade. All right, similar things apply to the lab's activities, but I think I'll maybe wait to show you that. Some of these are not what you do right here, but it's where you enter your answers doing some of the activities that we'll be doing external to this. But you'll click on these, like Starry Night tutorial number 1. You'll click on it, and when it says you can click begin, But this is going to be using the Starry Night program, and you're going to enter your answers here. Okay, and again, I don't want too much information in this video, so let's get started by getting on those activities and make sure you get everything done in the time allotted. So that's how you interface with AstroPortal. There's other tabs here, but that's the most important one for right now. Although very quickly, you're going to be hitting communicate and also be adding your questions and comments to the discussion board like you did in Blackboard, but we're going to migrate over here for the content of the units for you to ask questions and interact with the other students and with me, and I'll be interacting with you to help get your questions answered. Okay, so that's enough for this. Hopefully that was helpful, and email me or whatever with particular questions, but I'm trying to anticipate what some of your concerns are. So there you go, and good luck to everybody. See you later.